Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the currency on Yahoo Finance so prices are shown in the currency that you prefer. Let's get started. First, open the Yahoo app on your phone and make sure that you are signed in with your Yahoo account. Now tap on the profile icon which is situated at the top right corner. Within it, you will see app settings. Click on it. From the setting menu, tap on the regions and currencies. This is where Yahoo Finance let you manage location-based preference. Now select the markets regions available. Once selected, the default currency will automatically update based on the region that you choose. After selecting the region, you can just go back or restart the app if needed. And the stock price, market summaries and portfolios values will now be shown in the new currency. Keep in mind that the individual stock will still trade in their local exchange currency, but the total and the summaries may reflect your selected region currency. And that's it. This is how you can successfully change the currency on Yahoo Finance using the region and currency settings. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in next video.